The next part is gonna be this coin tray here. Just pop it up like that. Normally you want to go ahead and disconnect the battery anytime you're working with the airbag system. But with this case, these seats are powered, so we want to go ahead and remove the paneling first. Once we get down to the airbag module, at that point, I'll go ahead and disconnect the battery. You can go ahead and take up this center console right up. And there is the airbag module. At this point, I want to go ahead and disconnect the battery because we're going to remove the airbag module next. Once the positive and negative cables have been disconnected, go ahead and wait about 5 minutes or so before you start working on taking out the module.